44 are dead in the California wildfires. 42 of those victims killed in the Camp Fire, northern part of the state, well north of Sacramento. 125 acres torched there, including the town of Paradise, which is in ruins.
Tonight, crews pushing the front of the fire back with an aerial assault. Paradise, California, where nearly the entire town has been incinerated by towering flames.
The Camp Fire has become the deadliest wildfire in California history.
We've seen all over town cars discarded along the side of the road as so many became trapped and some were burned alive.
Picture a snow blizzard, it's just an ember blizzard, and all those embers were pelting, homes and pelting the ground. It's just absolutely heartbreaking to drive through Paradise and see the level of destruction.
A recent trip to Paradise was perhaps my most unforgettable trip I've ever taken in my entire life. And that's not because of fun or great memories. It's because of the devastation we witnessed thanks to a wildfire that ripped through town last November. I literally had a stomachache the entire time there. It's devastating to see people's lives turn to ashes, cars, homes, businesses, churches burned. The fire had no discretion. And it was hard to drive through, but oddly enough, it was also hopeful because there's a group of people there working day and night to clean up the town and prepare it for the return of those who call Paradise home. Paradise, California. We've been hopping around all morning. They just jumped a lot after lot after a lot to clean up this burned out house. They do it in a day and a half, and then on to the next one. It's wild. This is like the fifth one we went to this morning. It's unbelievable. The whole place is just completely destroyed. But it's pretty cool seeing them cleaning it up, and little by little you see all these properties all over town getting tidied up, and then they'll eventually be rebuilt. So nuts. Cleaning up these houses isn't quite as simple as just throwing it all away. Everything's separated out. Concrete, contaminated soil, ash, and then metal like they're doing here. So all of this is eventually going to be hauled off to recycle, which is a little silver lining to all this. So they're trying to recycle as much burned out debris as possible. They're going through this in an old garage. They're taking out all the destroyed cars. I mean, literally the windshields are melted onto there. It's insane how hot this must have been. And they're gonna haul this off to be scrapped.